Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take a look at YouTube analytics to understand our video performance and how to use this information to grow our channel. In 2025, YouTube algorithm is much smarter than it used to be. Instead of just focusing on simple metric views and likes, now it's powered by artificial intelligence and much deeper understanding of how people behave online. As creators, what do we need to know to succeed? Let's break it down. Looking at different video, YouTube is now showing videos to people based on what they actually like. The more you connect with your audience, the more your videos will show up in their recommendations. So make content your audience wants to see, what they like and what problems they have. And if you are making content, it should be based on audience because the key is to make content that fits the interest of the people. Since YouTube is looking at how long people actually stays on your video, if people are watching till end, YouTube takes that as a sign that your content is interesting. If you are working or making videos for more engaging, you have to focus on keeping your audience hooked from start to finish. Since YouTube now uses AI to understand what's in your video, it looks at the pictures, words, and even in the video sound to know what it's about. To help the AI understand, make sure your video is clear and easy to understand with a good title and quality visual. If we talk about search engine optimization, despite it is still a vital part of our strategy, keywords, tags, and descriptions help YouTube categorize and recommend our videos to the right audiences. So you have to make sure you are using the right keywords, think about what your audience is searching for and make sure your video matches that. You have to engage with your community since in 2025 the algorithm reward creators who can connect with their audiences, respond to their comments, ask questions, create polls, do live streams, anything that can build that connection with the audiences. To reply in the comments and posting community updates, you have to take time to respond and you have to show your audiences that you care them. It builds trust and encourages them to keep coming back. If your audiences feel connected to you, they are more likely to stick around and share your videos. Sometimes diversifying content is best since YouTube loves creators who try out different formats, whether that's shorts, long form videos or live streams, to see what works for our audiences. So no need to be afraid to experiment, we never know what might catch on, plus variety helps keep things fresh. So there you have it in 2025. Succeeding on YouTube means understanding your audience, keeping them engaged, optimizing your content for AI, and building a strong connections with your community. Remember, it's not about views, keep evolving and your channel will thrive. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tips on growing your YouTube channel in 2025. Catch you in the next one. Bye.